nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye.
Lemon garlic chicken is so good, you're gonna love this one. And coming in at only 660 calories at 33 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. Weight update, I finally broke through that 210 wall, man. It felt like I was never gonna break through that. But I'm 208 and I'm feeling great. And I did it by eating fat, but good fat, not bad fat. I actually listened to you guys. You guys said to stay away from seed oils and to eat like healthier food, like better nutritious food, which brought me to Chosen Foods Classic Mayo and their avocado oil, which is all made with 100% avocado oil. It's got all that good fat, it's all natural, and my body loves it. And just back to this recipe for a second, this sandwich and this cucumber salad together was insane. Spicy sweet chili chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 700 calories and 40 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. This chili oil, I have to mention the cornflake chicken, because if I don't do it, it's gonna be heavy. We gotta hit it with the air fryer, because the chili oil packs some calories. When I was younger, my parents cooked everything in oil. Potatoes, chicken, it didn't matter, everything got cooked in oil. Nowadays, with air fryers and low calorie substitutes, it's pretty easy to break out of that cycle and start your journey. Just changing the way I cook things and using substitutes is how I went from 235 to 210. And we're not at the finish line yet, but even